With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, so let's read the question. Blackening of exposed urine is a metabolic disorder due to, okay, so they are saying if the blackening of exposed urine occurs, basically it's a metabolic disorder due to which of the following compound? Option A, phenylalanine, option B, tyrosine, option C, homogentisic acid, and option D, valine replacing glutamic acid. Okay, so when we talk about this particular condition basically occurs due to two particular compound. The first is known as homogentisic acid, okay, homogentisic acid, and the second one is basically other one, which is L-capton, okay, and L-capton. When this homogentisic acid and L-capton are basically oxidized, okay, so whenever they are oxidized, they basically when they are excreted in the urine, okay, then they basically, if they're oxidized, they basically turn black in color, okay. So basically the accumulation of this particular homogentisic acid or L-capton basically leads to the blackening of urine, okay, and it basically causes the damage to cartilage, okay. So this accumulation causes damage to different things. It initially damaged the cartilage, okay. Other than that, it basically also damaged the heart walls, okay. So there are many different things which can be caused due to this. It can even cause kidney stones, okay. So this condition basically occurs due to the accumulation of homogentisic acid. It means option C is correct. It is not caused due to phenylalanine, tyrosine, or valine replacing glutamic acid. So option C will be the correct option here. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.